Racing just started. We have Playboy break weekly at the start. Moving up on the outside now is carry over Pahinsan Minsa Soul Invictus Premier Edition. Then comes Star of Manila Prime Zone Unopposed, while Golden Song is the early trailer and going along for the first turn. We have Playboy by about 2 lengths. Moving up now in second is Premier Edition. Carry over is racing in third. Moving up is Star of Manila. Down on the inside is Minsan. Soul Invictus comes next. Prime Zone Unopposed, and a long way back to Golden Song, who's racing in less. Inside the 3 Octavo, we have Playboy by about half length. And on the outside is Premier Edition. Then followed by Minsan carry over is Star of Manila, Zolan Victus, Prime Zone, Unopposed, and Golden Song, who's still racing in less. And they are now entering the home stretch. We have Premier Edition by about 2 lengths. Carry over Playboy, and on the outside is Prime Zone with about 150 meters more to run. We have Premier Edition followed by Prime Zone on the outside. Playboy carry over, and finally it's Premier Edition. Second is Prime Zone, carry over Playboy, Unopposed.
4, 8, 7, 1, 6.